Hello guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to tell you how the Google Map is helping build smart cities. So Google Maps is helping build smart cities by providing real-time data and technology that improve city planning and management. It helps track traffic flow, showing where roads are busy or free, so cities can reduce jams. It also helps with public transportations, showing bus and train routes and timing for better travel planning. City planners use maps location data to plan new roads, schools, or hospitals in the right places. Emergency teams use it to find fastest routes during disasters. In short, Google Maps helps cities become smarter, safer, and more efficient for people. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching the video.